In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Looker Studio cannot connect to your dataset. If you're seeing connection errors in a report, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you diagnose and resolve the most common causes quickly and safely. Start by opening your browser and searching for Looker Studio. Head to the site. In most cases, you'll be signed in automatically with your Google account, which is the same account that powers your data connections. Once you're in, open the specific report that's showing the connection issue so we can work inside the exact context where the problem appears. Inside the report, go to the top menu and choose Resource, then Manage Added Data Sources. Find the data source that's failing and click Edit. In the Data Source view, select Refresh Fields. This prompts Looker Studio to resync with your underlying data, updating field names, data types, and schema changes it can detect. If you recently renamed columns, added new ones, or changed data types, this refresh often clears the error. After the refresh, return to the report and check whether your charts and controls load as expected. If you're still stuck, confirm that the account used for the connection still has the right access to the underlying file or database. For files like Google Sheets, the connection account needs at least viewer access, and editor access is often safer if you expect frequent schema changes. If access was removed, the file was moved, or ownership changed, the connector can break even if the report opens fine. Keep in mind that Looker Studio can fail when the data layout changes underneath it. Schema mismatches are a common cause of errors. For Google Sheets in particular, make sure headers live only in the first row, with each column having a single, consistent header. Avoid empty top rows or blank columns in the middle of your data, and try to keep column names stable over time. Consistent structure helps Looker Studio map fields reliably and reduces breakages when you refresh fields. As a last resort, you can revoke Looker Studio's access to your Google account and then reauthorize it. You can do this from your Google account settings under third-party access. This forces a clean reauthentication for your connectors. Be aware that you may need to sign back in for data sources afterward, so plan this step when it won't interrupt active reporting. That's it. Try these steps in order, and you'll usually restore the connection without rebuilding anything. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your report.